What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about both silver and gold, and some of the reasons I believe a lot of people out there are becoming optimistic about inflation and potentially no longer seeing a need to hedge against it. We also have some stock market news and some financial information that you might be interested in. Really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. And of course, come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club, where I do giveaways, live streams, deal alerts, and you can watch Saturday and Sunday's videos right now if that's what you want to do, along with a ton of other perks. All links will be in the description. So today is Friday, January 7th, 2022. The current spot price of silver, as I'm filming the video, is $22.19. It's up a measly 2 cents, or up 0.09%. Spot price of gold is $17.90.50. It's down 40 cents, or down 0.02%. And the gold to silver ratio is in the 80 to 81 to 1 range. But again, that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking quite a bit about the silver and the gold, the beautiful precious metals, the coins, the rounds, the bars. But before we can even get into the money, I think we need to first talk about the currency. So in yesterday's video, I quickly ran through the Federal Reserve's latest report that came out on the 5th and why it freaked out the markets on Wednesday. Well, yesterday, which was Thursday, we started to see a little bit of a bounce back early in the day, and then boom, everything went right back into the red. Not by a crazy amount, but still lower than the day before when everything initially dropped. But now, as for today, we continue to see red. Granted, I'm filming this video early in the morning, and the market has really only been open for a couple of minutes, but so far so red. Last night, I even took a quick glance at the digital currencies, since that market's open 24/7, and wow, even they were down. Everything was down between 4 and 8%. By the way, just letting you know, you can get $5 worth of a crypto of your choice between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Sheep, and Cardano for every friend that you refer to Webull this month that enables crypto trading. Just letting you know, link in the description. But in addition to the Federal Reserve's report, there is another catalyst that at first I thought could be weighing on the market as well. There's supposedly another new variant out. This one's coming out of France, and it's called IHU or something like that. I believe it's the B1642 strain. That's all I'm going to say about it, because quite frankly, these new variants popping up every couple weeks are pretty boring to talk about. It's been 2 years. It's getting old. Even the emotional train wreck that is the stock market barely reacts nowadays. So we've heard this song before. Moving on. Despite us seeing quite a bit of red so far, I mean, we got the S&P 500 down 0.23%, the Dow Jones down 0.17%, and the NASDAQ down 0.29%. Despite all that, tech seems to be doing pretty well today. We have Tesla, which is considered tech on wheels. I got a comment on yesterday's video asking why I refer to it as tech. But Tesla is actually up 0.31%, Apple is up 0.9%, and Amazon is up 0.36%. And by the way, like I said before, you can get 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. But speaking of Amazon, if you refer 3 friends to Webull this month, they will give you $150 worth of Amazon stock for free, with the chance of winning all the way up to $3,000 worth of Amazon stock. The $150 is guaranteed, all the way up to $3,000. That's just a spin wheel, that's just a roll of the dice, basically. All you have to do is click the little invite button that Webull conveniently has within the app, send it to 3 people, bing, bang, boom. It's quite literally that simple. Don't pass up on an opportunity. Go get your money. Webull link in the description. But In addition to all of that, it also seems like a lot of people out there are beginning to become optimistic when it comes to inflation. With inflation starting to rotate in a downward direction in other countries like Germany, for example, and with the December 2021 US jobs report expected to be a lot better than the last couple of months, it could be an indicator that inflation will begin easing up a little bit. And with the spot price of precious metals as of lately laying pretty low, for some strange reason, it kind of tells me that maybe people aren't overly focused on potentially hedging against inflation, at least not at this specific point in time. Now, I'm not sharing this to insinuate that I'm optimistic about inflation, because that's not true. I'm not sharing this to insinuate that I no longer feel the need to hedge against inflation. Also not true. I'm continuing to stack the silver, I'm continuing to stack the gold for that very reason. And also because I like the shiny coins. But when it comes to inflation, this is something that a lot of people, I don't know if they don't realize it or maybe they underestimate it, but inflation is real and inflation is inevitable. Contrary to popular belief, all of the dollar bills that they've been printing the last couple of years, or really all the dollar bills that they print every year, that isn't inherently a bad thing. A lot of people see dollar bills getting printed or digitally created, which is unbelievably weird, by the way, that you can just change numbers on a balance sheet and just pretend that dollars exist when they don't physically exist. Crazy. But when people see dollar bills being printed or digitally created, they think, oh, okay, automatic inflation. No, the dollar is getting printed, not inherently a bad thing. If you're growing the economy at a pace or at a rate that can keep up with the dollar bills you are creating. That's the problem right now. We're printing dollar bills like crazy. We're spending all of this currency, but the economy is on a standstill. You could actually argue that the economy is not even on a standstill. The economy is actually kind of retracting. It's moving in a downward direction at the moment, which is 10 times even worse. So when it comes to inflation, when it comes to dollar bills getting printed or digitally created, that's the number one reason I'm stacking silver and gold in the first place. I'm using it as a hedge against inflation. I personally believe it will successfully help me combat inflation. Maybe not entirely. I'm not going to sit here and say that the precious metals are a solution to the problem, but the way I see it is that they are, in my opinion at least, the closest thing we have to a solution. It's far better than a band-aid on a broken arm. This is a little bit closer to what I would refer to as potentially a solution. Again, it won't solve the problem, but I believe it's the closest thing we have to solving the problem. I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Went over quite a bit. Went over the stock market, went over the silver and the gold. I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know, what are your thoughts on whether or not people are beginning to become optimistic about inflation? I'm not talking about you. I'm not talking about you specifically. Most of us are pretty much on the same page when it comes to stacking and when it comes to inflation. I'm talking about the general public. I'm talking about the big-time investors. I'm talking about all the different people in all of the different markets. Do you personally believe that people are feeling less of a need to hedge against inflation? Let me know in the comments. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Daily videos over here. Subscribe to my second channel. Weekly videos over there. Go and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Got t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs in a ton of different designs. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club, where I do monthly giveaways, live streams multiple times a week, deal alerts every single day. You can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. You can watch Saturday and Sunday's video literally right now. You can watch them multiple days in advance. And tomorrow morning, I will be posting a brand new adventure vlog, which I do every Saturday, plus a ton of other perks in the VIP club. Link in the description. And of course, last but not least, Go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. Tell 3 friends about it this month, and Webull will give you $150 guaranteed worth of Amazon stock, with the possibility of winning all the way up to $3,000 worth of Amazon stock. They have an invite button right there in the app. Just click it, send it to 3 friends. It's quite literally that simple. And of course, if you're interested in digital currencies, for every friend that you refer to Webull that goes and enables crypto trading, they will give you $5 worth of a crypto of your choice. Webull link in the description. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, what are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? When it comes to the spot price of the silver and the gold, number one, what is the spot price for you as you're viewing this video? I'm filming the video early in the morning and it's coming out at like probably 6 p.m. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know the spot price in the comments. Let me know how you feel about whether or not you think I'm right. Do you think a lot of people are beginning to become optimistic about inflation, even if they end up being incorrect? Do you believe that other people believe inflation's going to be easing up pretty soon? Head on down to the comments and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.